Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Making sure your butter is softened to room temperature is a crucial first step for achieving that perfect cookie texture. Now let's get to mixing our dough. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and vanilla extract, ensuring everything is thoroughly combined. Finally, gradually incorporate the flour and baking powder. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can make your cookies tough. This careful process ensures a tender, delicious cookie. After mixing, it's time to prepare the dough for shaping. Divide your dough into 2 equal halves and gently flatten each into a disc. Wrap these discs tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate them for at least 1 hour. This chilling step is vital for preventing spread. Once chilled, roll out the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness on a lightly floured surface. Then, use your favorite cookie cutters to create beautiful shapes. The final steps involve baking and decorating your wonderful creations. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This is crucial before you begin decorating with royal icing, sprinkles, or any other festive toppings you desire. Enjoy your homemade sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.